we're gonna play a game of tic-tac-toe using cat treats and a dog treat. So I guess my first contestant is Sam the dog. So we're gonna play tic-tac-toe. So first of all, I don't know how well this is gonna work because she's not gonna listen very well. So this is a trend that's going on Facebook, so she Sam, no! Okay. You go first. Go first. Eat one of the treats. Eat one. No, off the paper. Eat one. Eat one of the treats. No, up here, Sam. Here. Eat one of the treats. Well, Sammy, here. One of the treats here. Up here. No! Okay, she's gonna be O. So, she's O. I'm gonna be X. Here. Take one of the treats. Have one of the treats. Take one of the treats. Only one. Have one. Have one of the treats. Here. Sammy, have one. Sammy, here. Come here. Here, that's what cats do. Play. Get one. Have one. Here. Have one. Here. Here. Sammy, take more. Here, get one. No, one of them. She doesn't understand the concept of one. Here, I have one. Here, take one of the treats. Have one. Okay, so we might be able to play this way. So she was an O. So I'm gonna be an X. Yeah. I'll put the other ones on the paper. Okay, have one of the treats. Get one of the treats. Okay, that was a no. You had no. Okay. Get one of the treats. Take one of the treats. She thinks I'm being mean to her. Take one of the treats. Take one of the treats. Have one of the treats. Take one of the treats. Have one of the treats. Pick one. Have one. Hey, eat one of the treats. Hey, eat one. No, Timmy, it's a game. But you can only do it once. Take one. Eat one of the treats. No, have one of the treats. Good girl. Good girl. So it was no, you choose. Okay. Good job though. You stopped me. So I'm gonna here have these. You can have them. X. Now Sammy, go get those ones. Those ones. Okay, and you're no, so no on one. That was that one. That was not easy. She doesn't understand the concept of one, and she's not very nice when it comes to food. Maybe the cat might do better. Okay, now I'll try the cat. No on one.